Let me let you in on a little secret. Just because a violinist is at the beginning of their violin journey doesn't mean that they can't play a violin concerto. Oskar Rieding wrote a beautiful violin concerto in B minor that allows beginner violinists to explore emotion and expression in their playing. Not only is this concerto great for beginners, it is exceptional for intermediate players and even advanced players who want to go deeper into studying expression. Sometimes when there's just too many things going on, the brain has too much to think about. And if you're wanting to improve crooked bows and you want to play with straighter bows, if you want to improve your intonation, or for example, you just want to have a piece that you can apply bow distribution and bow speed to play expressively, Rieding's concerto in B minor is the piece. It's so beautiful and so expressive. That you can just jump right in and have yourself be compelled to play expressively. What I love about violin concerto is that there's 3 movements. You have a relatively fast first movement, you have a slow movement as your second movement, and then the third movement is typically a little bit faster than your first movement, if not way faster. And this allows you to express and to tell a story, to describe the entire path from beginning to end, and not just one fast movement. You get to take that first movement and lead into the second movement, and then go into the third movement. You can play these with piano accompaniment, so you have the opportunity to play with another player, which helps you grow as a musician as well. Tomplay has a beautiful piano accompaniment to this specific concerto. Here's just a little sneak peek of the second movement. So we have a beautiful opening, and then in the middle of the second movement, I've put together a study guide for this concerto, all 3 movements. That is a free download. I'll put the link in the comment and in the description below, and possibly around in this video, for you to link and get this free download to study this concerto. This is exceptional to help you practice, learn how to practice, and how to break things down. So what you'll learn with this guide, with this workbook, not only applies to Concerto in B minor by Oskar Rieding, you can take the techniques and take it to any piece that you're learning in your repertoire. So you have a study guide with journal prompts. You also have a musical style and characteristics, a weekly practice plan, and what I love the best about this workbook that I put together for you is the practice checklist. So I've done this for every movement of this concerto, and I've also done this for quite a few concerti of Oskar Rieding in the course Discovering Oskar Rieding, Essential Violin Concerti and Pieces for Violinists. This checklist, just print it up, put it on your stand, and you won't even have to think what to practice. You can just, warm-up routine, long hobo open strings, hand frame 1s and 4s, single string tetrachords, scales and arpeggios. Then you have the key musical moments in the piece, left side techniques, right side techniques, and you can use this checklist to make your practice sessions more effective and more focused. Be sure to check the link in the comment or the description below to get your free download of the practice workbook for Concerto in B minor. Without further ado, download and get practicing today. Have fun playing and happy practicing. Ciao!